Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a straightforward yet deeply delicious onion, chili and tomato pasta. Oh, it is simply amazing. It's very straightforward. All it needs is a little bit of time to make it richly delicious. So let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any recipes. Let's get cooking. Need 8 lovely onions for this. It needs to be nice and red, so they are slightly sweeter than the normal white onions, and I'm going to thinly slice them all. And also going to chop up 1 red chili. I'm going to start with a nice hot pan here. And once the pan is hot, add some olive oil. So good 3 to 4 tablespoons. In goes the chili. And next the onions. And while this is cooking, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. Then we want the onions to be really nice and soft and kind of have a bit of color as well. It has been exactly 15 minutes right now. The onions have softened up beautifully. They've reduced, they've got a lovely light kind of color, and now it's time to move on. So I'm now going to add a little bit of passata. So I'm just going to go for 300 grams of passata now. And now the key is to let this cook as well for another 10 minutes. Just look at that. Absolutely stunning. In the 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes this onion tomato mixture is cooking, I'm going to get started on the pasta. And once it's boiling, I'm going to add some salt, at least 2 tablespoons. I'm using rigatoni pasta and 350 grams for 4 people. You cook as much as you like for 4 people, to be honest, and this will take around 15 minutes to cook, and you can just follow the instructions on the packet of any other pasta you want to cook. And while this is cooking, I'm going to check up on the onions. Look at that. Oh, they look stunning. They smell really lovely. So this has been cooking for 10 minutes already, and this has another 5 minutes to go. If this gets too sticky, then just add a little bit of water from here to stop it from burning and sticking to the bottom. It is such lovely light in the kitchen today. It's beautiful. It's freezing outside but really warm in here. So I'm cooking pasta for a bit more than al dente because I'm not a massive fan. And I was so pleased to know when I said this, you know, in my video last time, I said I'm not a big fan of al dente pasta. I want it slightly bit more done. I want it not mushy, but I want it cooked. And I was so happy to hear that a lot of you think the same, and especially exciting to hear it from some Italians saying that they don't like very al dente pasta as well. So this is cooking for 15 minutes. The sauce is simmering away nicely. So in total, I think the sauce might have taken around 30 to 35 minutes. There's no rush to it. And in the last 15 minutes, I've put the pasta on. So then it comes together nicely. You can prepare this in advance and then cook the pasta when you are ready to eat and then mix it up and serve it fresh, but I'm doing it all together. So it's been 15 minutes and this pasta is looking done. I'm going to now not drain it, but just scoop it out and put it in the sauce that is still bubbling away after 40 minutes now. And now I'm just going to finish with some black pepper. Just say I've just turned the heat off. It smells so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. This is like really simple but kind of meaty because it's like slow cooked with a lot of love, and I'm going to plate this up for myself first. And to finish, I'm going to grate some Parmesan cheese on top. You can use as much as you like. I'm just going to go for a light sprinkling. Right, it's time to eat. Oh, I am so excited. Ooh. The onions while cooking just smell incredible. So I kind of know, my mouth's watering, I kind of know how this will taste. Oh. It's got that hit from the chili. Not too hot, but just a light warmth from the chili. The pasta is perfectly cooked. It's not al dente, but it's not overcooked. It's just got this light bite to it, which is a bit more than al dente. Anyways, oh, this is gorgeous. I really hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you very soon. This is absolutely stunning. It's got that sweetness from the onions and heat from the chili.